Hey YouTube, this is a 2019 Ram Rebel, and today we're gonna install the tailgate step that comes on it. This here is the tailgate step kit for the DT model Ram Rebel, and we're gonna go ahead and install it. So let's get to it. So the kit comes with instructions, the actual part that you want, a bolt, and a nut if needed. And I think the only tool you really need is a torque wrench, and this is a 21 millimeter socket. The instructions are pretty simple. There are two bolts that you got to take out, disconnect the wire and harness with the sensors, then just pop the step in place, put 3 bolts in and thread the wire and harness through the hole in the bracket, and then tighten it up to 120 foot-pounds. So let's go on under the truck and see what we could find. Alright, so we're under the truck here now. Here are the 2 bolts that you got to remove. Here's the wiring harness. Alright, so here it is with the 2 bolts out. Let's get the step assembly and put it in place. Run those 2 bolts out. Okay, so here's the 3 bolts. Video's kind of blurry here. Here's 1, 2, 3. You could just about see the bottom of the step there. That's the exhaust and the step assembly. Now let's go ahead and just tighten those 3 up. Alright, so here it is with the bolts in place. Just got to torque them down and the step extended. Let's go ahead and try it out, and then I'll torque it down. So just making sure no adjustments are needed is out. Ooh, that goes in pretty hard. Let's see. Alright, let's torque it down. Alright, so there it is, all torqued down. That slams home really hard. Comes out really easily. Takes the weight. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video.